The best tricycles for toddlers who are ready to ride. When your kiddo is ready for a bit of freedom, get him or her some wheels as in a tricycle. Tricycles are a perfect way for kids to explore their surroundings, get some exercise and have plenty of fun adventures. Not to mention they are great training for when they're ready for a bicycle when they're older. Here are some of the best tricycles for kids. Number 1. Best overall. Radio Flyer Deluxe as Fold 4-in-1 Stroll-N-Trike. We named the Radio Flyer Deluxe as Fold 4-in-1 Stroll-N-Trike our top pick because it's sized just right for little ones and is even foldable for easy storage or portability. Safe for kids starting at 9 months old, young kids can sit on the bike with a harness, front tray, footrest covering the pedals, and a parent push bar powers the ride. As your kid ages, you can gradually remove each element until they are riding all on their own. UV protected canopy protects delicate skin while they ride, the parent pouch stores keys and a water bottle, and the extra large rear basket stores anything your kid needs to take on their trek. Product weight, 18.9 pounds. Dimensions, 28.7 by 22 and 41.3 inches. Age range, 9 months to 5 years old. Number 2. Best for older kids. Schwinn Roadster Tricycle. Style aficionados will appreciate the low-rider look of this classic roadster trike. Best for older kids, this bike is heavy, so they'll need some muscle power to move it. While it's not a convertible bike, the sculpted seat does move forward and back into 5 lock positions, so there's some adjustability for growing kids. Schwinn recommends that your kiddo measure a minimum of 18 inches from the lower back to the floor in order to reach the pedals at the smallest setting. Take to the streets in style with mustache-style cruiser bars and a classic bike bell. Flowing fabric tassels make this a great gift for kids who love classic biker style. Product weight, 24.4 pounds. Dimensions, 24 by 14 and 12.5 inches. Age range, 2 to 4 years old. Number 3. Best lightweight. XJD 3-in-1 Kids Tricycle. This lightweight innovative scooter is an amazing option for the younger set. The trike offers 3 ways to ride: a 3-wheel balance bike, 2-wheel balance bike, and tricycle mode with pedals. The versatile options will help young kids gain confidence, balance, steering, and coordination skills from the start. Super lightweight, it's easy to bring along and boasts adjustable handlebars and seat height. 0.10 month 3 years old. We recommend 10 to 24 months baby to use 3-wheel mode. 2 to 3 years old baby uses 2-wheel balance bike mode. Best 3-in-1 design tricycle and balance bike for baby. Meet kids' requirements at different ages. Perfect kids tricycles for children. Product weight, 8.26 pounds. Dimensions, 19x 23x 17 inches. Age range, 10 months to 3 years old. Number 4. Best push tricycle. Radio Flyer Deluxe Steer and Stroll-N-Trike. Relatively affordable, lightweight, and with a wide age range, this is a great choice for parents looking to start out with a push trike, with the hopes of their kid riding alone soon. The classic Radio Flyer design features a push bar for parents, unlocking pedals. Once kids can pedal on their own, remove the bar, unlock the pedals, and they're off. 3 seat settings ensure the bike grows with your kiddo, and a covered storage bin holds your essentials. Recommended for kids ages 2 to 5 years. Maximum weight capacity 49 pounds. Satisfaction. All Radio Flyer products come with a 1-year W for free by registering your product directly with Radio Flyer. Product weight, 14.6 pounds. Dimensions, 28x 21.5x 19 inches. Age range, 2 to 5 years old. Number 5. Best for younger kids. Joovy Tricycoo. A smart investment for families with younger kids, this trike can cycle through 4 modes, making it a super versatile option. For the youngest kids, a 5-point harness, UPF canopy, and padded seat and armrests keep them secure and comfy, while their parents push the height-adjustable push bar. As your child grows, customize the bike stage by stage as the armrests, footrest, and parent push bar are eventually removed. 3 Position adjustable seat accommodates a growing child. Shoulder and seat pads are removable and washable. Large UVF 50 canopy provides sun protection, includes a cup holder and rear storage basket. Product weight, 14.4 pounds. Dimensions, 37 by 20 and 39 inches. Age range, 10 months to 44 pounds. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.